this is all my staples that I have in my fridge constantly, is veggies, ton of veggies. And then it's nice because my kids can just kind of get what they want. If they have things sliced, they'll eat it. If not, they won't eat it. A lot of meats. So I have deli meats, I have chicken. This is the best chicken. Have you ever had it from Costco?
Easy.
Oh my gosh, so good. I'm kind of a finick chicken eater, because if it's too dry, I won't eat it. If it's too like kind of that texture wise, but this is really moist. It's very good, has flavor to it, and it's easy. You can just take it with you to work, and it's good cold. I love things that you can eat cold and not have to heat up either. And then I always make like from Instapot or crock pot like some type of meat, and like this week I've done like tenderloin. So, and you can make carnitas out of it, you can make rice bowls out of it, you can make, I mean, there's so many things that you can make out of meats and veggies. Salads, as long as it's all prepped and cut and ready to go, that's good. And can you tell I'm a sauce girl? I love sauces. I love sauces. I've had to kind of find things that like that can fit my macros and that are like super healthy. So Primal Kitchen is one that I actually love.
It's one of my favorites.
I do make two that I like on my own. This is like a roasted tomato sauce that I love, that I make myself, just because then I can put it on stuff, and then just like a cilantro, lemon kind of vinaigrette dressing. And then I did make a chipotle kind of dressing that I always have. So those are kind of my staples that I have. And then these have been my best friend for a long time. So I love making Crunchwraps, and that's what we're gonna make tonight, is Crunchwraps. So these lavish wraps you can get at Walmart or Sprouts is where you can find them, or you can buy them online. For those that are more gluten-free and vegan, I love these cut-a-carbs. These ones you actually have to buy online, and they're a little bit more pricey, but they're so worth the money. I have them stacked in my freezer all the time. I have them stocked up. But I like them because they're low carb and they have quite a bit of protein in them. So it kind of helps to fit that protein and those carbs. Even if it's a low carb day, I'll just half it and it still works for me.
It's only got 9 carbs.
Yeah, it's awesome. And then the Joseph ones have the pitas too, so they're a little bit less calories. So sometimes I'll just do this instead of the big wrap. And then they have these smaller ones, snack size, that I do sometimes with like a salad. If I just want one or two, I do like my carbs. So it's nice to have a little bit of a crunch. If not, and with these, you can do a ton. I will cut these and make chips out of them. That way I have chips and salsa and guacamole, and I don't feel guilty eating a ton of chips. You're sugary, I'm more savory. I love salt, popcorn, like all that kind of stuff. So like that kind of stuff helps me. And then, yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do wraps. And then I always have like sweet potatoes, rice, that kind of thing too. And then you can kind of create your own thing. Like I said, you can have a rice bowl, you can have salads, you can have anything with all of the stuff that is in your fridge. And it's very easy to prep. It took me to do even the sauces, cut up everything, probably an hour and a half. And this will feed my whole family, like for a good at least couple days. I mean, I could even a week sometimes. So yeah, and sometimes I just have to recut the produce a little bit just because they eat so much of it. So, and then I make it easier because I'll get shredded carrot. So I'll do shredded lettuce sometimes just to have on hand to make it easy as well. So the more convenient it is for me, I'm gonna eat it. So just having things like that is gonna be really good. And then, like she said, the sweet stuff, I have protein bites that help kind of crave. I can eat one and I'm good for like a couple hours, and it does really keep me full. So
And you get those containers off of Amazon?
Yes, so these meal prep containers you get off of Amazon. Really easy, you just type in meal prep containers and there's so many that come up.
They have the 3 and I have some 3 and 2 compartment ones too.
Yeah. And then if we're actually meal prepping, if you're more on a stricter diet, these are great for like portioning everything ahead of time so that you can just take it out of the fridge, take it to work, and you're good. And then you
glass ones. Costco has a set of 5 glass ones with the snap lids.
yeah,
They
so
have a rubber bottom if you like. That's what I use.
I'm going
Because
to
I like
buy
the glass.
yeah, the glass ones are really nice too. Plastic ones just are very convenient for me to have when I do my meal prepping, just because they take them with them. And they're cheap, but they last. I mean, you can microwave them, you can put them in the dishwasher, that kind of stuff, so it's nice. But yeah, just use all vegetables. I mean, in the Crunchwrap, because you said it's hard for you to eat vegetables and stuff. It's hard for me sometimes to eat vegetables, like just plain. But when I put things together, it makes it so good. Like when you add the sauces and the cheese and like everything else, the meats, it's like a party. It's
I
so
think it's
yummy.
about the prep though, because you know I love salads, but I can see that if I had this in my refrigerator,
Yeah,
Super easy.
it would be so much easier because it's just the
you
thought
just
of
throw it together.
I have to put that salad together. I don't have time right now, but if I did this when I had time, because I like it, this is actually how I like to eat.
Yeah, and it's like once a week. You just do it once a week for an hour, and that's. I mean, if you want to stay on track, if you want to be healthy, you have to put that in.
No,
And
I
just
think getting her menus so that you have
I was
a
just gonna
guide.
say, are you gonna give us like,
She's gonna give you your menus,
if
and
you,
that gives you that guide, and then you have to put on your calendar, on Saturday at 3 o'clock I'm prepping. You
Yeah.
can't just say, I'm going to do it, you actually have to say what time you're gonna do it and what day you're gonna do it, at least I do, cause
that's how I am too.
And get yourself a good knife so that it's fast and easy and you don't have
Yeah,
to...
I mean, I have really good knives. I have little things like a chopper that I use sometimes if I need it because it goes like that. I do the sweet potatoes like this because it
Like
takes 2
temperature
seconds
flat.
instead of
Did you
cubing
cook
them.
them?
Yeah, I
It's like
roasted
a-
them in the oven
Think
for
like
like,
this. It has
and
a square.
I can give you all that information and like
Smash it
recipes
down
and
in it,
stuff.
you can do big
But yeah,
pieces.
so this
I've got
is
one
like,
too, I think. I haven't used it much.
I try to do things very, very simple because I just don't have all the time in the world to sit in the kitchen either. So it's all about just learning the things to make it easy for you. Because I have all this cut up every single time, it's easy for me to throw a salad together in 2 seconds. Even the wraps take like 5 minutes just because it's like all done. And so I really like these Laughing Cow cheese. Like if you're more dairy free, you can do hummus. I do like hummus on my wraps too. But these Laughing Cow cheeses are great because they're very low calorie, but it kind of gives it just an extra like flavor to them. And then, so yeah, any questions on any of that?
So do you melt the Laughing Cow cheese?
So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, we're gonna make wraps together. So I'll show you kind of how we do it.